Hey everybody, and welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to show you how to add map here in BigCommerce. Let's begin. Now, the first thing that you need to do is to log in using your credentials. If this is your first time in BigCommerce, I want you to click the sign up option. And from here, just follow the on-screen instructions and you're good to go. Adding a map to your BigCommerce site can help customers locate your store or business more easily. Now, once you are logged into your account, I want you to click on the View Store option or the Storefront. In my case, I'm going to be selecting this one. And from here, if you want to add a map here of your store physical location, you can do that here by integrating a map. Now, first off is I want you to go to the Google Maps. And from here, you need to enter your business address if you have that and click on it to open the location. All right, and from there you need to click on the share button, right? For example, this one right here, and then choose embed a map. Obviously you can copy the HTML code provided and add the map to your BigCommerce page. But if you don't know how, the next option that we're going to do is go to a platform called Elfsight. All we have to do, if you haven't already, go to their website www.elfsight.com, create an account, and from there we need to go to the widgets, click on it, and from here all I have to do is search for the widget of maps. You see that there's a lot of that you can choose from: social, reviews, chat, tools, and there goes the Google Maps. Click on it, and from here you can see that you can create Google Maps widget for a website, embed a responsive Google Map to display your location or multiple locations for easy navigation. All I have to do is click this button right here. For example, we're going to be using the these template: multiple locations, single location, dark map if you want, or a styled map, countries, or infrastructure. We're going to use the dark map for now, and for you to be able to move forward, just click on the continue with this template. All right. All I have to do now, you have the locations, categories, and icons. Click the add to website for a free button. You would be forwarded here. You see you have the option to embed code later. We'll do that in a second. And from here, if you want to, you need to enter your API key here. If you don't know, just click the create the API key. All right. And log into your account. If you haven't already, you might want to choose and log in, contact sales, and click the get started for the Google Maps platform. All right, it's a very easy thing to do. Now click on get started, and once you have created your Google Maps platform, all you're gonna do is go to the API and services. Right, click that, because as you can see, it requires an API key. Click on continue, and once you have published the widget, all you have to do is select the $0 per month. It's free anyway, don't have to worry for that. But if you want to scale up and get the basic, which is best for low traffic website, just click the basic subscription plan here. And if you wanted to go to pro and premium, you might want to do so as well, but click on 0 for now. All right, and here all we have to do is click the copy code. All right, or if you wanted, you can search from one of the platform tutorials and go for the BigCommerce. Now here on the storefront of your account here in BigCommerce, click the design this page in page builder, and we're going to choose, we just have to log in. After that, you would be forwarded to the page builder. I want you to click on the HTML, this one, on the left side panel of your dashboard. We have a separate video on how to add products on BigCommerce and how to add Google reviews that you might want to check. But for now, let's click on HTML and drag it here. Right? And from here, all I have to do is copy the link or the code earlier, save HTML, and there goes the Google Maps that you have put in. All right, that's one way. Another option that you can do is using Common Ninja. All right, now Common Ninja offers widgets like Elfsight. If you don't want to work with Elfsight, you might want to choose Common Ninja for now. All you're gonna do once you have created your account, go to the create a widget in the bottom left corner, and you can choose from thousands of widgets that you can search. If you want, type in Google Maps. There you go. You have all these. You can display multiple locations with enriched details and customizable aesthetics. Click on it and click on the create a map. Wait for it. You will be forwarded to the map builder. And from here, all I have to do is add the location. For example, I'm just going to be using the Times Square in Manhattan. All right. And then, of course, you can put in an image if you want. You can upload a file from a URL and Splash if you wanted. These are some of your options. If you want to load more, just click on it. So there's a lot. You can also click on My Files if you have it and upload a file from here. And then you can add in an information here. For example, this, enter your website, working hours, and add a location. All right. You can also look for the map skin. For example, this. I wanted to put it in the dark, or if you wanted to have like this colorful, vivid, but dark background, you can select the main colors for your widget. For example, this. All right. Skins are these. So there are a lot of options that you can do. Maybe this one right here. I like it. So your options are not limited. All right. Go here if you want to add more settings, transit, traffic, cycling, and a lot more. All right. Then also put in the drawer, the integrations if you want. You can put in Google Analytics, Common Ninja Form, and a lot more. Or if you want to put it here. But for now, we're happy with how it looks. All right. What I'm going to do is click on the Save Changes. Creating a project. All right. Now all I have to do is simply copy and paste the code to your website. Remember earlier we quickly switched to the storefront of our BigCommerce right here. Basically, if you want to delete all of them, just delete that and paste the code that we have copied from Common Ninja and click on Save HTML. Right? Wait for it. And now, as you can see, we have successfully installed a Google Maps to our BigCommerce store. Now, if you need additional features or customization, you can always check the BigCommerce app, all right, marketplace for map apps. Some apps offers enhanced options like store locations with filtering by distance. And that's it for today's video. Thank you so much for watching. We will see you again in the next one.